The AI revolution is currently underway, and every day, individuals like yourself are seizing the opportunities presented by this golden era to embark on AI-powered side hustles, all from the comfort of their homes. In this video, I'll introduce you to 4 of the most promising AI-based side hustles that you can start right away. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's kick things off by discussing the lucrative world of AI coffee mug sales. Believe it or not, people are raking in substantial monthly incomes, sometimes reaching tens of thousands of dollars, solely by selling coffee mugs on platforms like Etsy. Just imagine the impact on your life if you are able to generate an extra $10,000 per month. It's entirely possible. Take this Etsy seller for instance. They specialize in selling coffee mugs and have amassed over 42,000 sales, earning a staggering $1.45 million. Many other sellers are achieving similar success. The remarkable part is that they likely aren't handling the printing and shipping themselves. More often than not, they're leveraging print-on-demand services like Printify to handle manufacturing and shipping. This means the seller only needs to focus on designing the mugs. Before AI's advent, designing these mugs was a time-consuming task. Now, you can harness AI's capability to generate designs effortlessly. Specifically, we'll utilize a robust AI program called Midjourney, a text-to-image generator that transforms simple text descriptions into fully fledged images. With Midjourney, you can create an unlimited array of coffee mug designs swiftly. These are just a few examples of the designs AI can generate. Designs that would have previously demanded considerable time and skills to create. Yet with AI, we can craft them within a matter of minutes. All I'm doing is entering different prompts to specify the types of designs I desire. For instance, I could request the AI to create a charming cat illustration, and within seconds, it produces a result. I can then take these designs to a print-on-demand service like Printify, upload them, and publish the mugs directly to my Etsy shops through Printify. I have a comprehensive series on starting a print-on-demand business on my channel where you can delve deeper into integrating Printify with your Etsy shop. For the purposes of this video, I'm providing a brief overview to highlight how straightforward it is to get started. If you encounter difficulties brainstorming coffee mug designs, you can enlist the aid of another AI tool called ChatGPT. You can simply enter ChatGPT and request a list of ideas for coffee mug designs to sell online. In a matter of seconds, the AI will generate ideas. The intriguing part is that you can also combine AI-generated imagery with text. After researching top-selling mugs on Etsy, it's evident that mugs featuring text sell exceptionally well. To achieve this, return to ChatGPT and ask the AI to suggest flower-related phrases suitable for coffee mugs. In seconds, the AI will provide a list of phrases that you can add to your mug designs. Select a phrase you like, go back to Printify, add a text below the flower design, and insert the new phrase. In just 3 to 5 minutes, you'll have a mug design likely to perform well on Etsy. Repeat this process to create numerous designs for your Etsy shop. If you'd like me to create a dedicated video on selling AI-designed mugs on Etsy, please leave a comment below. If enough people express interest, I'll produce a video covering this topic. The next lucrative AI side hustle involves selling Midjourney prompts. When it comes to generating AI artwork, whether it's patterns, characters, stickers, or anything else, prompts are indispensable. Consider this Etsy seller who offers Midjourney AI prompts for up to $20 and has amassed nearly 19,000 sales, likely translating to a 6-figure annual income. If you're already familiar with AI artwork, you understand what prompts are. However, if you're new to this, prompts are essentially any form of text, question, information, or code that instructs the AI on the desired response. For example, if I wanted to create cute puppy images, I might input a prompt like this to obtain results like these. Similarly, if I wanted images of puppies donning sunglasses, my prompt would be tailored accordingly, resulting in images like these. As you can see, having the right prompts empowers you to generate an infinite array of images. But here's the catch. You need the right prompts. You can't simply request Midjourney prompts directly from ChatGPT because ChatGPT doesn't possess knowledge of Midjourney, which was introduced in 2022, while ChatGPT's knowledge extends only up to 2021. As a result, ChatGPT cannot immediately assist you in generating prompts. Instead, you'll need to provide a brief training to educate ChatGPT about Midjourney prompts. To prepare ChatGPT, start by informing it that Midjourney is a program that generates images from text prompts. I'll include these instructions in the description below for your convenience. After entering this, the AI will confirm its understanding. Next, paste this sentence indicating your intention to provide information about Midjourney prompts and ask the AI to reply with an OK if it comprehends, which it will. Subsequently, paste this response and inform the AI that you're about to furnish it with sample prompts to which it will respond affirmatively. Proceed by inputting this prompt, which you can obtain from the All Things Dope article linked below. Following that, insert this prompt and again, the AI will understand. Repeat the process one more time by pasting this prompt. At this stage, ChatGPT is adequately trained and capable of creating prompts for you to sell on Etsy. I recognize that you may still have lingering questions, so if you're interested in a dedicated video covering this side hustle, please leave a comment to express your interest. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now, let's take a moment to explore Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is an outstanding resource for discovering music and sound effects to enhance your videos. Their vast catalog features over 30,000 professionally produced songs spanning various genres, along with more than 90,000 sound effects. One of their standout features, in my opinion, is the Find Familiar button accompanying each song. For instance, if you often use electronic or trap-style hip-hop songs in your videos and find one you like, clicking Find Similar will yield more options with a similar vibe. Another valuable tool within Epidemic Sound is the Discover tab. Here, Epidemic Sound recommends songs based on your YouTube channel and your past music selections. To access high-quality sound effects and music for your videos, click the link provided in the video's description and pinned comments to initiate your free trial with Epidemic Sound. Even if you decide to cancel your subscription, the music and sound effects you download during your trial will remain protected in your videos. Now, let's transition to the next AI-driven side hustle, selling AI art prints. I once purchased these two art prints for a substantial sum, and while I don't want to sound gullible, the one on the left set me back nearly $300. There are individuals out there making millions by selling art prints. Take this Etsy seller for example. They've amassed over 111,000 sales, totaling an impressive $7.57 million. You have the potential to do the same, all with the assistance of AI in creating your prints. For instance, suppose you're interested in this artwork. You can use Midjourney to create similar pieces based on prompts that include terms like watercolor wall art and abstract beach art. These AI-generated pieces can be listed on Etsy for sale. Similar to the previous idea, you can train ChatGPT to generate prompts for these art prints. The entire process takes less than a minute. By utilizing AI, you can quickly produce numerous art prints in mere minutes. You can offer these prints as digital downloads on platforms such as Etsy, or opt for a print-on-demand service like Printify for physical copies. I have a comprehensive series planned that will guide you through starting an art print-on-demand business. If this interests you, please comment below indicating your desire for art print series. Lastly, let's delve into the final AI side hustle, selling AI patterns. Remarkably, some individuals are making millions by selling patterns, also known as digital paper. This Etsy seller, for example, boasts over 747,000 sales and earnings exceeding $3.27 million just from pattern sales. AI makes it remarkably easy to create these patterns. Suppose you want to craft pink floral patterns similar to those shown earlier. You can take two approaches. First, you can ask Midjourney directly to create seamless pink floral patterns, yielding results like these. Alternatively, you can ask ChatGPT with generating prompts for your patterns. Within ChatGPT, request the AI to create a prompt for pink floral seamless digital paper, and it will oblige. You can then input the ChatGPT-generated prompt into Midjourney for higher quality results. Remember that if you intend to rely on ChatGPT for prompt generation, you must first educate it about creating Midjourney prompts, as we discussed earlier. Once you've created your patterns, you can list them on Etsy, opening a new Etsy shop if needed. Product listings typically include a main image displaying the pattern, a title, and additional images showcasing different aspects of the pattern. Pricing, title, description, and other listing details can be configured as you see fit. It takes less than a minute to create a single pattern, and you can list multiple patterns on Etsy. This AI-powered side hustle has the potential to yield substantial profits, as demonstrated by sellers already achieving remarkable success. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We would love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!